artists! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to design and color a super fun jacuzzi. Oh, wow! I'm so excited to see how cute and relaxing it will look when it's all done. Stay with me till the very end so we can make it amazing together. And at the end, don't forget to subscribe, give a big like, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our fun art videos. Let's get started. Have you ever been to a jacuzzi or taken a warm, bubbly bath? Ah, it feels so nice and relaxing, right? Imagine how fun it would be to design our very own cute jacuzzi today. What colors do you think we should use? Maybe sparkly blue for the water? Or maybe some pink bubbles? Stay with me, okay? Let's find out together as we color. I promise it's going to get more and more fun. Don't go anywhere. We're going to make this jacuzzi look amazing! And at the end, remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you can join me in the next awesome video! Let's jump in! Did you know? Sitting in a jacuzzi or a warm bath can help relax your muscles and make you feel calm after a long day. But remember, you should always have an adult with you when you're near water to stay safe. All right, little artists! Our drawing is all done, and now it's time for the super fun part, coloring! I can't wait to see how awesome this is going to turn out. Stick with me because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's make this amazing together. Now it's time for the yellow. Let's add some bright, happy yellow and make everything shine. I'm so excited to see how it's turning out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Now we're going in with a nice brown color. Let's give it a warm, cozy touch. I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Stay with me, little artists. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Okay, let's add some pink now. So cute. All right, let's add some red now. It's looking awesome. Okay, let's color the water parts with a nice blue. It's gonna look so fresh and cool. forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Yay! We're all done coloring, and our jacuzzi looks so pretty and fun. Thanks so much for staying with me, little artists. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a big like, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. And hey, go check out our last video where we made a super cute umbrella. See you next time. Bye-bye.